Eric, thanks very much for sparing us some time here at SNEC. First off, the company is obviously in a transition mode, both from a business model, but also from a product range and further development. So I just wanted to ask you if you could give us an idea about the shift of the business model, what that actually really means for the company.
Okay. Yeah, Mark, thanks. You are more than welcome. And since the beginning of 2013, the Shunfeng started the China project development, as well as starting the process to acquire Wuxi Suntech. Okay, so by April 2014, so we closed the Wuxi Suntech transactions. Okay, so from then on, the Shunfeng started to build we call the right architecture of this business shifting. So we acquired several service companies last year, including SAG and also the meter control as the largest operator companies, plus the powering storage functions, as well as the other renewable technology. So what that means for our shifting is, one year we are shifting from the pure manufacturer-oriented to a service product technology-oriented company. Okay? Number two, we are shifting from the pure solar as the electricity format to a multiple clean energy format, including wind and sea wave generations. And we are shifting from the generation side, from the storage, and also the application side, including LED lighting, geothermal heating cooling, plus the green wheel as an electric vehicle operation business. So including generation, storage management, as well as the saving application side, we could be offer we call low carbon integrated total solutions for cities, communities, and business applications as part of the EMC, Energy Management Service Contract Providers. Okay, so you see we are doing the two goals. One is to improve the total efficiency of the entire systems of the solar PV value chain, and beyond that, we are to offer more than solar as a renewable energy solutions to get the total solutions to help to achieve everyone's renewable energy target by 2020. That's our shifting.
Obviously, that's a big idea. You know, that's a lot of integration of different technologies. That means a lot of investment. You know, a lot of capital that's required. Do you feel that 2014 was a good year for the company to ensure that 2015 and beyond gives you the grounds and the momentum to go forward?
Yeah, I think 2014 was a very solid year for Shunfeng Group. Okay, I think probably it was the most critical year for Shunfeng International Clean Energy Group. Number one, as I said, we built the architecture of our new business model. Okay, and number two, we completed most of the integration of our acquisitions. Okay, and at the same time, we still delivered the positive annual result. Okay, our revenue was 5.7 billion RMB, and with the profit over 1 billion RMB as well. So we think we did a fantastic job. Okay, in a very short time.
Talking about your annual report there, I find it interesting that you're actually disclosing, so you're giving a lot of transparency to the performance of power plants. Can you explain why you're doing that?
I think it's our obligation, it's our fiduciary interest to have the company as transparent as possible for our investors and for stakeholders and even the employees. That's why we were starting to publish our monthly electricity generation, okay, per month. And of course, we have very good monitoring systems. As you know, Mark, we acquired the meter control, which was the largest OEM company. They monitored more than 10 gigawatt power with 37,500 systems. So this service is for external, but as well as serve for internal purpose. If we keep it transparent, and everyone knows it's our performance, and I think that it is our obligations. Yeah.
Do you feel that kind of transparency will force other companies to do the same, and would that ultimately drive up the quality of
I'm sure.
modules of the systems?
I think definitely. If you look at the industry, what has been done in the past, the module guys is focused on the driving down the cost. Some tier 2, tier 3 probably with a compromise the quality, right? The EPC guys is focusing on to turn over the project quickly as they can. Then the developer is focused on development and to get the permits from the government agency. But there's no one really focused on the entire system performance of the solar farm. You already build or you are going to build. But that's the advantage of the Shunfeng, because Shunfeng is not only involved in the manufacturing, but we also involved in the EPC service, or OM service, and also the IPP development. So our ultimate goal is we own all our IPPs. So we are not just get it done and then sell to someone else. So it's ultimately interesting for us to have the total system performance. So we feel if we have much more transparency, we can even force ourselves and also force the marketer or the government agency to really adopt some new technology with the market-driven mechanism to drive the total value chain performance. Okay. That's our ultimate goal.
One final question for you. Obviously, the company hasn't given a lot of guidance about this year, but can you give us an idea of what the company hopes to achieve this year?
Yeah, this year, if you look at our business revenue lines, okay, number one is solar product sales, which is our manufacturing. Our goal is to double its revenue. And because last year we only consolidated Wuxi Suntech's revenue starting 18th April of 2014. This year we have a 4-year consolidation. Plus we acquired 51% of Lattice LED power. We are going to consolidate in the second half. And this is the first business line. Second business line is our IPP. Last year our revenue is about 700 million RMB business. So this year we are expect our total electricity generation will reach close to 2 billion kilowatt hour. So revenue-wise will be triple compared to 2014. Then number 3 lines is our global OEM business. Last year we only have 1 month consolidation of meter control. This year we have 4 year plus our expansion. So we hope we can reach 300 to 400 million renminbi business. Last year we only have 13 million renminbi business. And the last one, 2014 is 0, but 2015 we have explosive growth, which is our integrated total solutions for the business community and cities. Okay, and this is our new EMC business model.
Larry, thank you very much.
Thank you. You are more than welcome.